Are you thinking about using Kittl for your design needs? Here's the truth. Before you make any decisions, there are 7 crucial things you need to know. If you're wondering how it compares to other design tools like Canva or Adobe Spark, you'll want to stick around to hear the inside scoop. This is all about giving you an honest and detailed look so you can decide if Kittl is really right for you. Next thing, Kittl is a web-based design platform that's super easy to use, especially if you're not a professional designer. It's beginner-friendly, which makes it a strong competitor to Canva, but with a few key features that can make your design stand out more. It offers drag-and-drop functionality, tons of templates, and a variety of design elements, but what really sets it apart is its vast collection of fonts and unique styles that you can customize. This level of flexibility is something Canva just can't match, especially if you're looking to create something a bit more personalized. The third thing you should know is Kittl's vector editing capabilities. It's an essential tool for those who want to create scalable designs. Unlike basic templates from other platforms, you can work on your designs at any size without losing quality. This is a huge advantage for print designers or anyone creating custom logos or illustrations. If you've ever tried to create detailed logos on other platforms, you know that they can get frustrating fast, especially when they don't have enough vector options. Kittl, on the other hand, allows you to tweak every little detail, giving you more control. Moving on, Kittl does have a free plan, but it's not the most comprehensive one out there. If you're looking to unlock everything the platform has to offer, like unlimited downloads and access to premium templates, you'll need to upgrade to one of the paid plans. But here's the catch. If you use the first link in the description, you can grab the best free trial available, which gives you access to more features for a limited time. That means you can test out Kittl with zero risk and see if it really fits your needs before committing to anything. Now, the fifth thing you need to know is about the ease of collaboration. If you've used Canva before, you're probably familiar with the collaborative features that let multiple users work on a design at once. Well, Kittl takes that a step further with smoother real-time collaboration, making it easier to work with a team, whether you're in the same office or halfway across the world. You can leave comments, edit designs live, and share progress instantly, which is perfect for teams that need to move fast. The sixth thing to keep in mind is Kittl's pricing. While it's not the cheapest design tool out there, you're getting more value for your money compared to competitors. The basic plan is good, but the premium version, which offers all the bells and whistles, is priced competitively. It's really about whether you need the extra features. If you're someone who designs professionally or needs high-quality assets regularly, the extra cost might actually save you time and effort in the long run. And the seventh thing you need to know, the customer support. Kittl's customer service is solid and easy to reach. Whether you're having trouble with a design or need help navigating the platform, they're responsive and will guide you through the process. In comparison to other tools, I've found their support team to be fast and thorough. If you're new to design software, or even if you're an experienced user, that peace of mind can make all the difference. So, if you're considering Kittl, remember that it's an easy-to-use platform with powerful vector editing tools, great for teams, and priced fairly for the features it offers. Whether you're creating social media posts, designing logos, or building full marketing materials, Kittl could be a game changer for you. If you want to try out Kittl for yourself and get the best free trial with some exclusive benefits, just click the first link in the description below. Try it completely free and see if Kittl is the right design tool for you.